Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video, you can enjoy a beautiful design about hand embroidery and crochet. So you can easily get a different type of ideas, hand embroidery, crochet, and so in this video, you can get many birds ideas in hand embroidery. Some examples of beautiful bird hand embroidery like Trish bird bluebirds are a classic example of intricate and detailed hand embroidery. The birds are rendered in shades of blue and green, with their features carefully stitched in stitch and backstitch. Chinese birds and flowers is another stunning example of hand embroidery. The birds are depicted in a traditional Chinese style with their feathers and bodies rendered in flowing lines. And another hand embroidered hummingbirds are a popular choice for hand embroidery projects. The hummingbird's feathers are often stitched in long and flowing stitches, which helps to capture their delicate beauty. The flowers in the background can be simple or elaborate depending on the desired effects. And another watercolor bird embroidery is a never trend in hand embroidery. This style of embroidery uses watercolor paint to create a soft and delicate effect. The birds are often depicted in a realistic style, but watercolor paints can also be used to create more abstract or whimsical design. So enjoy these videos and please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.